Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do that, first we need to turn off our device so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then of course slide it up to power off. Now once the device is off, what you need to do is press and hold the power button until the logo appears, and once the logo appears you want to release the power button and press and hold the volume down button. So let's go step by step. Press and hold the power button, and once you see the logo, press and hold the volume down button. And now as you can see, I am in the Fastboot mode. If you want to exit it, then what you need to do is pretty much press and hold the power button until the Fastboot mode is closed. So let's press and hold this button. You might need to hold it for like 10 seconds. For like 10 seconds before it actually disappears from the screen. And there we go, now the text is gone. Of course you can release your finger from the power button in order to keep the device off. However, you probably want to reboot it, so you can keep holding the power button until the MI logo appears again. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!